I want to take a moment now to talk about image searches. So when you do an image search, or any type of search, you put something in, what you'll find is that you can get a whole host of images, and you have to be careful because a lot of times these images are not filtered. But if we say did a search on plate tectonics, and just hit return, and then what you're probably familiar with, you just go to images, and then it's going to give you a whole bunch of images there, and that's one way to do an image search. That's the type of thing that we're talking about. But what you may not have noticed is that when you do an image search, there's actually a little camera here. And if you didn't know, you can actually do a search based off of an image. So I have an image here that I'll open up. It's our high school logo. And you'll notice that the file name is called Picture2, and it's just one that I took a screenshot of. And so let's suppose I wanted to do an image search on that. So if I click search by image, I could, if I knew the URL, I could paste that in, or I can upload an image. So I'm going to upload that image that I have saved there, and it's called Picture2, and I'll hit choose, uploads the file, and then it's going to give me a set of results of where I can find that image. And you'll notice Red Line Area School District's the first one, and there's another alternate site that we actually used to use. And these are places that are using that logo. The Lyon Aquatic Club is using that. The York Dispatch has it on there. There's a Twitter feed for it. And so that can be a handy tool. Like if a student uses an image and then wants to go back and cite it, they can use this type of image search in order to find where was that image originally hosted. As a teacher, you can also use this sometimes to check. I give science fair projects, and sometimes students are supposed to take their own photos, but they might actually download one. And so I can take a screen capture of that picture and upload it. It doesn't matter what the file name is. It will be able to find where was that image located. And of course, if it's not located anywhere, then that student probably did take that picture originally. And that's how you can work with image search.